Hello, Sancho. Hello, hi everybody.
Can you hear me now?
Now? Yes, I can hear you. Saujanya, can you just let us know whether her
Anu?
Vikasini is, yes, voice is clear?
Hello? Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Can you hear me?
You're perfectly audible. Shall we
But
start?
still I can hear my own voice.
It's okay. Your voice is clear, I suppose. Shall we start?
Yes.
Yes. Good evening, guys. Welcome, and let's start today's topic, skincare. Welcome, Vikasini.
Yes. Thank you.
And we are very sorry for the glitches that happened.
Yes, it's
Okay,
my network issue.
that's okay. Okay, you'll start.
Yes. Today we are dealing with the topic skin care and why skin care or healthy skin is required and what are the functions of skin care, and we will be discussing, and today's topic will be continued for tomorrow also. So as it is somewhat vast topic, so we divided as into 2 days, so today and
Yeah.
tomorrow. First, as you some may know or may not be knowing, skin is the largest organ in our body, and
Yes.
first we will let's see what functions it does and why it is required, uh, why it is important in our lifestyle. Okay, it's not just outer appearance, inner self of skin, what it does. Okay, let's see. Yes, doctor, carry on
Yes,
with.
we shall start. Let's know what the skin is
Yes.
first. And as everybody knows, skin is the largest organ in the body, and it is a soft outer covering of all the vertebrates that guards the underlying organs or structures in the body. Okay, it is complex as well as functional. It is not only functional, it is multifunctional, as everybody knows. And the multifunctional things that skin does is, it protects the body, the temperature regulation, it helps in regulating the body temperature, absorption of, I hope you know well, everything will be absorbed by the skin pores, hydration, and excretion of the toxins mainly, and respiration. Skin respires too, and the sensation of touch. Last but not the least. Okay. As we have seen, it is a sensing organ and oil producer. It is a detox organ too. And temperature regulator, a protective covering, as we saw now. But to stay strong and fit and to protect ourselves from the damaging forces that surround it, skin is very, very, very important. Okay. Skin acts as the barrier between the body as well as the environment. Okay, it protects us from the ultraviolet radiations of the sun and tanning, clearing the product from the pollution, microbes, and it has effects even from internally that we see as we go on. So, coming to this, and one more thing is mainly to be told, appearance of a normal skin. It will be very quite beautiful and it does not appear oily. and it is very rare to be seen. As in today's world, we know it is very rare to see a beautiful and a fresh skin and easily recognizable. We can recognize that they have a beautiful and a fresh skin. It is moist and smooth, no blackhead and blemishes will be seen. Okay.
Normal skin doesn't, I also don't have my normal skin.
Everybody, each and everybody in a
Yeah.
certain situation as stressed.
Hope to get
So,
normal skin as early as possible.
yeah, we'll definitely get it. We'll let them know and even
Yes,
we'll
yes.
join them in the journey.
Yeah.
So, beautiful thing in every human is what we say is beautiful skin. Okay, it is the most trending topic for today. Okay, it is like feed your skin. Everybody desires to have a beautiful skin besides age or gender or ethnicity or race or whatever it is. Okay, to have a smooth, soft, glowing skin, people much, they spend on this cosmetic product, surgeries, they undergo many things and they lose their own skin tone too. So, do you
Yes.
really think this is all needed actually? No. For today, I think very cost effectively and much easier we can maintain it through our nutrition or diet habits. Which
Here
gets
I
us,
have a question.
yes.
Actually, what food got to do with that? With the skin and the food which we have to take, and whether we are taking nutritious food or
Yes.
whether we have to change some things.
We'll go with that. I'll answer that
Yes,
now.
yes.
Okay, then. For changing in the diet includes, this food what we have. It has to be supportively healthy to our skin. Okay, and let's see how the skin is built, and it also how it works to the body, how the food helps in making the skin glow, and how it helps in relieving from the problems whatever we are undergoing. The ultimate recipe, as we told, is a nutritious food. And it is like the main thing we can say is like having a beautiful skin has never been easier till now. Okay?
Yes.
The main thing is you are what you eat. As we say, you are what you eat. The entire body needs nutrition in order to work properly. And this nutritious food what we have help us in giving us a glowing and healthy appearance. Okay, but in today's world, unfortunately, being under stress, processed foods, canned foods, spicy foods, preserved, oily, all these foods, especially fast foods, all these things are having a ill effects on our body as well as skin. As we can say this, when I was just going through, everyone needs fast foods today in today's world as they're running. But at the same way, even the aging is appearing very fast to them. It is like fast foods leads to fast aging. Okay? But then eating right foods can strengthen your skin cells with all the nutrients that needs to fight the disease and the damaged skin. Okay? So to feed yourself with a nutritious food and make your skin beautiful, it also becomes healthy. There are some researches happening and some of the studies which say consuming healthy foods also help your skin make youthful, plump, radiant, and it has a glow. Okay, so this paper what I told also explains that whether what the people who eat food, they were two groups and it was compared, and it depends on what they eat exactly. Okay, more pronounced today, wrinkles and higher intake of bad fats, cholesterol, processed carbohydrates like cookies, biscuits, chocolate, chips, everything is leading into a wrong way. So next, coming to one more thing, that did you know that your skin reflects your internal health? I think this might be a new thing that people are listening to. A healthy person, a person who has a nutritious food, they'll have a glowing, radiant, and a smooth skin, whereas inflammation, scaling, puffiness, which will be seen in a unhealthy person or the person who's having wrong food habits. So as we go on, let's see what are all the things that we have to do to maintain our skin. What does food do to us from within? It is not only that we take much of carbohydrates, protein, fat, and in today's world, people go for diet and nutrition plan just to maintain their health, especially their shape. So that is not the main thing. And today's topic to be spoken, only carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are not essential. There are many other nutrients that is much, much essential for body and skin health too. That is, we can say vitamins, minerals, and much importantly, phytonutrients that help the skin to function optimally as well as look radiant. Okay, it repairs the damage, builds the support structures, helps in staying it moist, and prevents the disease. Okay, so the result of all these things are, let me just say you, what are the results of this? The percentage of nutrients today that skin is taking is much, much, much lesser. I'll just say you how and why. So it is like, feed your skin at your age. Okay? No matter what your age is, you need to maintain your body healthy. Okay? But as told, teenagers can eat anything and they'll be having that energy to regain their skin, whatever it is. But adults actually have a greater need to think about it, because as age goes on, the physiology of a geriatric person or the adult person decreases. So how much ever the nutrients they take, very fewer of them reach till skin. Okay, but in case of teenager, that doesn't happen. The body changes and become less able to digest and absorb the nutrients. Okay, this means the food that you eat to have a greater concentration of skin beautifying nutrients. And as it goes on, we can also say, coming to the most important thing, the beauty has the social implications. As we say, skin is one of the most important components of individual's appearance. Okay, so beauty is a visual impression. If a person's skin is damaged or unhealthy, nobody likes it, I think so. And even the person who is just undergoing that, he is suffering physically according to his appearance, and also mentally. He's having much of stress, especially when they get wrinkles, pimples, acne. Okay, most of them, it is like some of them seeing their skin go to depression too. So, do you know the concept of beautifying from inside out? Let's know from Dr. Vikasini about that. Before that,
Yes, before that,
before I end up, it is like eating the right food can help you fight acne, reduces your wrinkles, pimples, inflammation, and resolve all the moisture problems, and even maintain your total body healthy. Okay? Okay, ma'am. Is there any relation between the skin and gut? Let us know about that, please.
Yes. Before that, we have got a question from Sahana. How about supplements? Every requirement of skin won't be available in our food we take on daily basis.
Okay. We'll be answering
How about?
I think she'll be getting her, answer once you finish your talk, I suppose,
Yeah,
ma'am.
maybe.
Because
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
the answer for that is in your talk, as well as if she joins tomorrow, she can definitely get her answer. What can be done?
Yes, as you asked me, what is the skin relation with the gut? Yes, of course, younger skin will be in your gut, from your gut. Starts, if I keep in a sentence, younger skin starts in the gut. Why I am relating to the gut, we will see first. And before that, for our immune system, the gateway is the skin.
Yes.
So skin, what uh, it protects us from, like against disease, against infections, all inflammation, maybe any infection or inflammation, whatever might be. But what happens? Inflammation is considered as the healing process, right? Let me tell you, like inflammation will be a mechanism of self protection. The fever is also a self mechanism of protection of our body, and the goal is like to remove the toxic substances from our body. So what happens, that will be the first step in our healing. When we remove our toxins from the body, that leads to us healing, and improved health will be attained by that. What our body is doing is, nowadays it's starts aging faster. Why means because of this inflammation or infection caused by the gut.
Okay.
Why gut will show inflammation or infection? Because it needs nutrients. Gut itself contains microbiomes, that is gut bacteria. Gut bacteria will be present in all everybody's body, and that is healthier bacteria. That bacteria needs nutrients. When you yourself doesn't provide the nutrients, it strives for the nutrients. So it pressurizes the body to striving in the process of striving for nutrients. If you doesn't give the nutrients, what happens? It will show either infection or inflammation on the skin. Maybe acne, maybe pimples, maybe any kind of infection or inflammation. You don't consider pimple is not an infection. It is also inflammation. Because of the inflammation, it will pump out as an pimple. Okay, and this also will leads to type 2 diabetes, obesity, these kind of diseases, like problems also. And one thing I want to say is, see, our skin will be a reminder. It acts as a reminder. How? If anything happens inside our body, our skin shows. Our skin give a reminder that you are getting something. So you need to check out what you have, whether your gut is healthy or not, whether you have any issues with your inner body. Just don't see that pimple or acne or dark pigmentation. Just see the root cause, why it is happening for me. Yes,
Yes.
the process begins through proper nutrition. If no proper nutrition, a poor diet can cause inner self, like it will cause a problem for inner self, and it will leads to further things also. And the most important thing is, increased consumption of sugar can lead to all the toxins inside our body. How? Means sugar provides a way to bacteria or virus to grow inside our body. If it goes, it will come out as a defense mechanism, but it is not coming, means it is settling inside our body because it has got some food inside. So sugar, daily intake of sugar, it is giving for it's just, you think like sugar, if you're taking, you're giving some food for your toxins or bacteria inside your body. So these harmful products have a negative impact on yourself, either maybe on your emotional status or as a physical status. This can lead to chronic conditions also. And to protect your immune system, you should limit your consumption of sugar, gluten, and milk, dairy and processed foods as well as fried foods. Yes. And see, I don't believe tackling the skin and getting perfect skin just by applying any products or using anything. It should come from within. If your inside gut is healthy or in your body is healthy, you will that will replicate with the skin. See, if you're inside, if you're happy, outside the face will replicate. It will show to the world that you're happy. Inside, if something bad is happening, obviously skin only shows again, right? So aging, anti-aging also will start from inside, as how gut is important, gut health is important. Why is important? Because it's just a minute. Yeah, gut problems, hormonal imbalances or inflammation, anything behind it concerns, like it is a second brain for our body. Gut is a second brain for our body. So what happens after the brain? For getting for going proper signals from the stomach to brain, also gut should be proper, right? So major change, patients will like any person will start noticing on the face if any pimple or acne or anything, that you are surely, I am sure that you are having some or the other gut issue. Maybe that is gastritis or any burping, bloating, anything. But we need to check. People doesn't know how to check. If they are having consuming most of the dairy products, what they'll appear dark circles and under the eyes more, it will be like very darker. Yes. And they are consuming any alcohol, it will be fine lines, wrinkles will happen. If they are taking any sugar or anything, and they'll get puffy and bloated skin. See, the best example is, as soon as you get up, if you are having oily face, if you are having puffy eyes, if you are having bloated cheeks or something, as soon as you get up, that shows that the toxins are inside your body and the skin is replicating the toxins. It is trying to show you, but you are not aware of that. So check yourself. How to check? There is a, we have a checklist for with us. And moreover, before that, I don't say that outside, like anti-aging should happen both inside also, outside also. You don't wash your face or you don't just leave like that also. Yeah, no, you have to wash your face because the dirt on your face should be removed, right? So inside and outside, both should happen simultaneously. And yeah, let's go for signs of aging. We have some 8 signs that you are in the process of aging. That is fine lines and wrinkles, saggy skin, uneven skin tone, then dull, lifeless skin, then rough skin texture, then acne, then eye bags. You get this much bags, right, under your eyes, that one, and dark circles. So the 4 ways how it does it. You for overcoming, what 4 things you need to do? That is, improve your health of gut, fight with inflammation or infection from the cellular level, not just outside. Outside applications doesn't help if you have the problem inside. See, I have a problem with my right hand. If I do something with my left hand, what it does? It shows nothing, right? If I have problem in my mind, if I just apply cream or something on my knee, what it does? Nothing. So if you have problem inside, you have to find solution from the inside, not from outer external applications. Doesn't help for lifelong, lifetime. You need lifetime health, right? So balance is the aging hormones, okay, those that also important. And anti-aging skin regimen, you need to follow anti-aging skin regimen through natural way by improving your gut health. And one amazing result you are going to get is younger and healthier way, and healthier skin you get, so you become healthy and young. Okay, so we have got a checklist, so check yourself today, so you will get an idea. We have a checklist for digestive issues also, as well as checklist for skin issues also, as well as checklist for sleep issues. We have got 3 checklists for you all. You think you check today whether you have anything, and tomorrow you will get the solution for how to overcome those things. Tomorrow we are speaking about how to manage and how to overcome in a natural way. The checklist goes like this. If you have any acidity problem, first thing is acidity problem, and the checklist second one is bloating after meals, after consuming, whether you have bloating or not, and burping, then constipation, difficulty in passing stool or hard stools, or you're passing stools but it is incomplete, these all things. And if you have diarrhea, like loose stools, or you have incomplete what digestion, like indigestion, if you have indigestion also, that is also a sign for check, like your gut is not healthy. Then yeah, itching in the rectal area, like where you pass stool, you have severe itching. And skin checklist will, if we go to checklist number 2, that is skin problems, those are acne. If you have acne, or blackheads, or bumps, then dry skin, dullness, then wrinkles, fine lines, or any sagging under your eyes, dark circles, then pore enlargement, like you have enlarged pores, then pigmentation, whether it is fine pigmentation or dark pigmentation with a larger scale. Yes, then rough skin texture. Every time you see, your skin will be rough, or you just wash your face, it will become dry patchy skin, those also. And yeah, health concern, we have got one more checklist is healthy, whether you are healthy or not, whether you have got cracky nails, yes, or every time your nails will be brittle and very sharp and cracky, it'll if you just do like this, it'll get cracked. And fatigue all the time, and feeling cold every time you feel like cold, and you don't have any particular lifestyle. Yes. And food intolerances, so some will have food intolerances. And cough frequently, or getting cough and cold, and any infections, fungal infections, or not everybody will get fungal infection until unless some problem is inside. And joint pains after like you attain 60 or 70, it's okay, because that is degenerative process, so there, that time if you get joint pains, okay. But younger age, 30s, 40s, if you are getting then surely it's not because just for skin, it's surely your internal organs have some problem. Then menstrual cramps during the cycle, for women, more menstrual cramps. Then irregularities, menstrual irregularities also will be there. And PMS, premenstrual symptom or premenstrual stress. Yeah, you have got mood swings, or you have got irritation, anger, or depression, anxiety, these all things before that. And sleep problems, and slow weight loss. You won't lose weight, but you will gain weight the faster, and you won't lose weight. And every time you're getting sugar cravings, that thing also you need to. And thinning hair, no matter you apply any oil or any shampoo or any conditioner or any serum, but your hair is so thin, and if you pluck, it will come, it will break easily. Those things. and weight gain. For some, weight loss, for some, it is drastic weight gain, and white coating on the tongue. Every day, as soon as you get up, morning, you need to do is check your tongue. Check your tongue is not like this. You should do in such a way that completely white coat you can find these things. Yeah. Yes, this is the checklist. If you want this checklist, we will post in our story the whole checklist. So check yourself today, by tomorrow, and tomorrow we will meet again by same time. So we will discuss what are the things we need to take care first, and what foods will help us to overcome these things easily, and yeah, very natural process, and very cost effective and minimal things. Yeah, we won't ask you to purchase something, so it is very minimal what you can do at your homes. Yes,
That is
we
just
will meet
visiting
tomorrow with the continuation of the same topic.
It is just like visiting their own pharmacy, as we told.
Yeah, as we said before, the pharmacy at your home, that
Yes.
is kitchen. If you join any new joiners, that is the kitchen. So
I
we'll
hope-
take you to the home pharmacy, and
Yes. I think
yes,
there
meet
were
you all
two
tomorrow.
questions.
Okay. Some asked about supplements, right?
Yeah.
How about, do you think neem is an effective way of tackling pimples? Yes. But
The
why
way
yes?
how
I will
we
speak about
tomorrow.
tomorrow. Yes.
How
How
about
about fasting and skin? Yes, it is wonderful. We will speak tomorrow. Tomorrow is the management of skincare and skin health, and we will be giving tips how you can naturally overcome all these problems without using any cosmetics, or without damaging your skin or hurting your skin. Yes, skin is also your body, so we shouldn't hurt, because
Yeah.
it first thing, when we see a person, you will see the face, right? So how to get a natural and healthy and young look, tomorrow we will discuss. Tomorrow you can shoot us all with question and answer, because tomorrow we will take simultaneously both management and question answer session. Yes, and checklist will be provided with you on all the pages. This page, Anu Krishna Vidya, sorry, Anu Vidya Krishna.
No, it was right.
Then
Yeah. And one more
yeah,
is
then
Dr. Sri Mohan.
Dr. Sri Mohan, and as well as one more public page of mine is Robustness via Nature. 3 pages you will get the checklist.
Checklist.
Tomorrow you can shoot us with your questions. Thank you.
Thank you
Take
for your
care. Have a
patience.
pleasant
Yeah.
sleep.
Good night.
Yes, yes. Good night. Meet you all tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Stay safe.
Yes.
Bye.
Yeah, tomorrow I will provide 3 Instagram pages for tomorrow. Better if I get all any
That's okay.
technical issues.
That's okay.
I hope many would have not seen the story also. It's okay. Yeah, you
Okay, then.
posted this. Yo. Yes, Kaushikana, yo. Take care. Oh, somebody came at the last moment.
Anyway, then. Okay, good night.
Yeah, good
We'll
night.
meet
Take
tomorrow.
care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah, yeah. Together we will post, right? Together if
Yes,
we
yes,
post,
yes,
it's
yes.
fine.